So today I did this very simple, very basic. Why is this fucking okay? Okay. I did this very simple, very basic pastel eye using the Cotton Candy Queen palette by Jeffree Star. This is the palette. I want to do 10 looks, one palette look videos, but honestly, they are a lot of work, and they really hurt my eyes. So yeah, I have a hard time with it. I have a hard time with it. I want to do them, but they're really hard on my eyes. So I figure I would just do this and see if I like it. I do like it. But yeah, and I also use the Never Subtle Magic Star Liquid Blush. Magic Star Candy, it says. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Okay, so using the Sheglam eyebrow pencil, which is a dupe for the P. Louise Skinny Eyebrow Pencil, for me at least. And then the P. Louise Base on the eyes. So for shadow today, I used the Cotton Candy Queen palette, and I used the color in the crease Pastel Pussy, and I used on the lid Nostalgic Taste, and then on the inner corner I used Sugar Climax. Like I said this in another one of my videos, but I do think that Jeffree Star just be putting words together, because what the fuck does Sugar Climax mean, you know what I'm saying? And then for the dark purple on just the outer corner, the little dot I do, was Taste Test Me. So I guess he kind of always has done that though, because remember those songs he used to have, like Cupcakes Taste Like Violence or whatever it was, and yeah, he used to have that shit. So I definitely think he's always kind of done that, just like thrown words together and been like, here here. So yeah, this is really simple, honestly. Putting the pink in the crease, yellow on the lid, putting the shimmer yellow on the inner corner, and the purple on the very outer. Then I go ahead and blend over the purple with the pink to create a darker pink. And yeah, it's lovely. The white I used on the brow bone was the Sugar Pill Taco eyeshadow, which is my favorite white eyeshadow ever. Easily the best white eyeshadow I've ever tried in my life. Then using the Made by Mitchell, I forget the name of it, Graph Ink Liquid Eyeliner. The Black Milk Graph Ink Liquid Eyeliner. I was going to just make one video where I show my base, like I do my face, my blush, my bronzer, my highlight, and then reference that every time. So I was gonna like cut that part off of all of my videos, because it's the same in every single one of my videos. But I realized that my tutorials, the way I edit them, because I edit them so quickly, they're so sped up, I realized that my videos would end up being like 3 minutes. So I'm gonna keep the base part of the videos, because I do like kind of switch up sometimes. Sometimes I switch foundations, or sometimes I switch blushes and stuff like that. So yeah, just go with me, okay? I wanted something a bit more sheer, so I used the Kimchi Chic foundation, but I really spread it out. I really blended it out, so I didn't wear like a mask, because I wanted my freckles to show through a bit. And then, so my first concealer I used was the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. Then I used the Kimchi Chic, a really good foundation. Then I used the Kimchi Chic, the Most Concealer, and I used the white version of that. And I just blended that out. And then this Soul Body Bronzing Balm, which is my favorite bronzer at the time. It's very beautiful and has a lovely tone to it. So I'm very, very in love with that. I haven't even used any other cream bronzers in a very long time. I used to use, like, ages ago, before cream bronzers were a thing, I'm pretty sure, the Bobbi Brown foundation stick. But, yeah. Not no mo. Then the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Never Subtle Magic Candy, Magic Star Candy, whatever the fuck, blush. Absolutely love it. So I always go very dramatic on my blush, and then I know I'm going to powder over top of it, and I know I'm going to have highlight and things like that over top of it. So you'll see by the end that it totally subdues the color of the blush. But yeah, I love the Never Subtle blush color. I think it's so beautiful. I love orange blush. That's always been like my favorite. So Never Subtle kind of like very, very quickly became my favorite blush to use. Of course, I'll switch it up sometimes though, like all the time. You know, I always like to have different blushes and stuff. So, and then I used over top of it the Pixi and Hello Kitty Charming Glow Chrome Glow face palette, and I used the color in the middle on the very right. So it is the second row, third column. And then I'm using the Flexetarian highlighter by Colourpop. And then the Danessa Myricks Enlight Halo and Ice after I spray my face with setting spray. For the lips, I went ahead and I removed all of the foundation and powder on my lips. I found when I don't do that, it ends up getting flaky and it doesn't lay smooth. So I do it sometimes because I forget, to be totally honest with you, but I remembered this time, so I remembered to take all of the products off my lips before doing my actual lip color. And I used Stripdown by MAC, and then I used the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink, and I used the color Charmed. I've said this in a ton of my videos, but those lip colors have very, very quickly become some of my favorites because they set like a liquid lipstick, but they're still shiny. I need to get a nice blue tone red, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!